Hey, my friends. So I'm standing in front of a mobile home, a double wide mobile home, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at in terms of determining the rehab costs that we're going to incur on this project. So I'm going to show you what I'm quickly looking at, how I'm going to quickly analyze the rehab for this deal. So let me take you on a walkthrough. So number one, as I'm looking at this home, I'm looking at the lot size, right? So we've got a big lot. Watch out for barking dogs. Actually, watch out for biting dogs. Big difference. So, one, we've got a big lot. I think it's like 1.5 acres to 2 acres. So a little bit more landscaping costs. We do all our construction internal. So we've got riding mowers, tractors, all that kind of stuff. So our pricing is probably different than yours. I'm looking at the driveway. Okay. There's no driveway. There's crushed rock. Easy to get some crushed rock out here, but you're going to have to make that payment. You know, you're looking at roughly $2,000 to $3,000 at a minimum of crushed rock. I'm looking at major components on the outside. Condition of roof, not good. It may be salvageable, but it's not good. So we are factoring in at least some extensive repairs, 1,000 to 1,500 to a new roof, approximately 4,000 on this roof. We've got a shed. It's completely rotten at the bottom. We may be able to salvage with some rot board, or we may have to demo. So when we're factoring in our rehab costs, we factor to the worst case scenario, okay? Not the best case scenario. So we're looking at the outside, no major repairs. Hey buddy, how you doing? I don't bite, don't worry. So we're looking at major repairs and minor repairs, right? So we're just going to trim up these bushes. We're going to pressure wash. We're going to paint the home. Structurally, it's fine. The skirting's actually not in bad shape. We're going to pressure wash. Probably don't even need to paint the skirting. There's a decent shed. We can pressure wash that sucker right there. There's little demo. You know, they started on a fence out there. The neighbor did. If you can see the pickets. There is wire fencing around here. This is just a day worth of demo. We'll get a burn pile going with the with the trees, any lumber. We'll get a dumpster, roll off out here and clean this up. This deck, they can be deceiving, okay? The decks can be deceiving. I mean, it looks okay, and I think it's okay, but you need to take a closer look because sometimes you get looking at it or looking under it. You see here, it's a little wonky. It's sloping down. And we need to make sure, hey, is this salvageable? Number one, without major repairs. You can see it sinking down over here. That's a little bit of a concern for me, but not too much. It's really wonky when you zoom in. But you're looking for rotten wood because what we'd ultimately like to do, ideally, is just pressure wash it and be done. Next step up from that would be pressure wash it, do some minor repairs, and then be done. Next step up from that, and this is a progression in pricing, pressure wash, minor repairs, paint or stain. And I think that's where we're at with this one. We're also looking at condenser. Okay, AC condenser actually looks pretty good. And I was told this is really big. Let me flop the camera around. So a lot of investors miss this one, and they miss it the hard way, meaning they do a deal and it costs them significantly because they're not even aware of asking the question about what are the utilities. Is it public or city water? Is it a public or city sewer? We were told this is city water and city sewer, which is great. So you don't have to worry about putting in a septic tank, water well, all that kind of stuff. But that, my friend, is the evidence of a septic tank. So we will confirm that. That could be really old. You see those two tanks? There's concrete tanks. So that could be really old, and actually it could be a water well. I've seen water wells like that as well in the past. Most likely septic, but it could be really, really old, and there's a chance that they have converted to city water and sewer. So let's go inside. Close your eyes, because I'm going to start at the front. Close your eyes, close your eyes. I saw you peeking. All right, on the inside, it's actually pretty good. We've got less than a load of trash out to do, but the walls, the ceilings, everything else is in pretty good shape. And here's what I encourage you to do is when you walk into a property, I want you to look up, look down, look all around. Okay, so we're looking for lighting, ceiling damage, flooring, what are we gonna have to do? And wall damage, any repairs. That could be smoke alarms, that could be blinds, it could be removing curtains, it could be holes in the wall, it could be fixing paneling. Here, we're really good. Master bedroom. Really good. We'll replace the light, we'll install new carpet, and we'll paint the walls and ceilings. Got it? That's the drill. Look up, look down, look all around. And we do that room by room. And so what I'm looking at right now is it all cosmetic? Paint, flooring, thus far it is. Carpet and bathrooms, gotta love it. So in here, what we're gonna do is put vinyl down. We're gonna paint and resurface the countertop and sink, new vanity light, paint all the walls and ceilings, and resurface the bathtub. So right now, this is very, very minimal. Shower can also be resurfaced. So thus far, we are looking really good on our rehab cost. We'll save the kitchen for last. Bedroom, good shape, new light, new carpet, paint the walls, and good to go. Same thing in this bedroom. Not bad, not bad, not bad. There's some inklings. It could be mildew, it could be mold. So we'll have to investigate that. We're gonna have to cut some of that out and see what's going on there. Window unit also signifies that potentially the AC is not working. That light can actually be cleaned up and salvaged. Bathroom, kind of same as a master bath. Vinyl flooring, paint the vanity. I think we can leave the countertop like it is. They even have a good mirror. New light fixture, paint, resurface tub and surround. So we're looking decent in here. And then last but certainly not least is the kitchen. It's pretty good. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Already has some granite countertops, has good cabinets that will be painted, minor repair above the fridge, and we're gonna be good to go. We could even leave that light. We can paint around here, new little light over the sink and the utility. So in summary, we're looking at our major components. What are our major components? Potentially roof. What we call the driveway, also major, like things that are over like $2,000 or $3,000. So roof, let's just say it's 4. Let's say driveway, we're gonna spend 3. Nothing else is major on the exterior. That's good. So exterior, we're probably gonna be around 10 to say maybe 12K with pressure wash, little paint, repair work on the deck, mowing the yard, demo, 12, probably, let's say 15. Then we go to the interior. Assuming AC is okay, there's no foundation, there's no other major work that needs to be done. So on the interior, we're going through price per square foot. So in today's world, price per square foot is roughly, on a cosmetic rehab, $18 to $20 per square foot. So this home, I think is around 1,500 square feet. So if that's the case, that's gonna put us, around 22,000? So if we go 22,000 plus the 15, we're gonna be somewhere in the 35 to 40K range on this rehab. So I actually have some software we've developed that helps you quickly estimate repair cost, okay, based on your major components plus cost per square foot. It's something that I have to my students in my inner circle. So if you're interested in that or learning more, you're really interested about your real estate investing hobby, like this hobby that you have into a full-time business of putting dollars into your bank account each and every month, don't forget to like and subscribe. But actually hit me up, send me a comment, send me a private message, and we'll talk. You guys take care.